and gentlemen, Congress is once again in its favorite mode, the post-mortem mode. Serial poll losses have forced the party into introspection finally. And finally, they have found the root cause behind their serial electoral debacle. Or at least one of their veteran leaders has. In the course of this autopsy, former Congress Member of Parliament Kumar Ketkar has dug right back to Congress party's worst ever performance in the Lok Sabha elections. The humiliating defeat that brought its seats down from 206 to 44. Forget about losing after 10 years of consecutive rule. The party did not even have enough numbers to claim the leader of opposition's post. And here is what Kumar Ketkar's autopsy report says, that they were defeated not by the people, but by the spy agencies operating out of United States and Israel. He blames CIA and Mossad for playing a game to bring down the Congress and put a favorable government in place so that they can interfere and implement their policies in India. He concludes, this was not the mandate of the people. It was a foreign intelligence operation in 2014. Listen in.
तेव्हा गेम सुरू झाले आणि कोणत्याही परिस्थितीमध्ये 2014 मध्ये यांच्या सीटा वाढता कामा नयेत. त्या संस्थांमध्ये एक होती सीआयए आणि त्या सीआयएच्या संस्थेत बरोबर दुसरी संस्था होती महत्त्वाची म्हणजे मोसाद इस्रायल. ह्या दोघांनी मिळून असं ठरवलं होतं की भारतामध्ये आपल्याला काहीतरी करायला पाहिजे, हस्तक्षेपच करायला जागा उरणार नाही. 206 वरनं त्यांना खाली उतरवल्याशिवाय आपल्याला इथे नीट डावपेच करता येणार नाहीत हे समजून वागणाऱ्या ज्या संस्था होत्या.
So now CIA and Mossad are the newest vote chores in the Congress dictionary. Just to remind our viewers, this is the same Congress that ruled India for 2 straight terms before being swept out in a historic BJP landslide in 2014. So what exactly is Congress leader Kumar Ketkar suggesting? That an opposition party was allegedly running a covert operation with foreign spy agencies, all while the UPA government led by the Congress party was still sitting in power, watching the whole game. Today's BJP calls it something else entirely. Congress's latest bout of political hallucination.
He must be having details. Modi government can hire Pegasus or can utilize the services of Pegasus to peep, eavesdrop the activities of opposition, judges, bureaucrats, journalists. They can go to any extent. Such agencies, not necessarily they work with the ruling party, they work with the opposition also.
कुमार केतकर का जो स्टेटमेंट है ये दिखाता है कि कांग्रेस अब नॉर्मल डेलुलू में नहीं है, ग्लोबल डेलुलू, ग्लोबल डिल्यूजन में है. 2014 में सरकार किसकी थी? तो क्या सोनिया जी और मनमोहन जी फॉरेन इंटरफेरेंस अलाउ कर रहे थे?
Kumar Ketkar has certainly lost the plot to allege that Mossad, along with CIA, has plotted a defeat of the Congress party in 2014 Lok Sabha elections. I mean, this is a sign of absolute loss of mind and mental stability.
It is perhaps this habit of living in delusion that has reduced the Congress to ruling just 3 states in the country. And even in those, it is struggling to keep its own house in order. In Karnataka, the power play has now degenerated into word play. Both Siddaramaiah and DK Shiv Kumar are no longer whispering dissent. They're posting it. It started with Shiv Kumar's cryptic jab. Word power is world power. Word power, the word that was given to him, possibly. The biggest force is to keep one's word. Everyone has to walk the talk. Well, nothing left to the imagination there. A clear swipe at the alleged rotational chief ministerial deal struck after the 2023 win. Hours later, Siddaramaiah hit right back. A word is not power unless it betters the world for the people. The mandate is a responsibility that lasts 5 full years. Well, the gloves are off. What was once hushed factional infighting has now exploded into an open duel between the Chief Minister and his own deputy. Can High Command settle this right?
Kharge ji said that he will call you and DK Shivakumar to Delhi, sir.
Let him call.
So he's made a statement that
Let them call. See, whatever decision High Command takes, I will follow. ನನಗೆ ಯಾರು ಕರೆದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾಳೆ ಇಂದಿರಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರು ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ 50 ವರ್ಷದ ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ ಅಕ್ಕಾಪಡೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಮುಂಬೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೊಂದು ಖಾಸಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇದೆ. ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಹೋಗಿ ರಾತ್ರಿ ವಾಪಸ್.
This power sharing thing, we do not know. Honestly, when the CLP assembled, and there was no mention of power sharing.
You heard them. The baton is now seemingly passed to the party high command in Delhi. But who really is the high command? The confusion continues. Sample these reactions.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಿರೋದು ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. हाईकमांड के लोग मैं हूँ और राहुल जी हैं, हमारे नेता श्रेष्ठ नेता सोनिया गांधी जी है.
कांग्रेस पार्टी के अध्यक्ष राहुल गांधी नहीं है, कांग्रेस पार्टी के अध्यक्ष खड़गे साहब हैं.
Total confusion. It's worse in Bihar, where the party's central leadership gathered for the first time after the election results. There were clashes and arguments over ticket chori. Abuses were heard. Even threats to shoot were thrown around during a heated argument. Engineer Sanjeev raised the issue of giving tickets to outsiders, to which Jitendra Kumar objected. Sources say, in fact, I just spoke to the gentleman who was given this dhamki, Jitendra Kumar, and he said that engineer did say that he will shoot Jitendra Kumar. All this happening right here under the High Command's nose.
झूला सब चीज का पड़ा, 10,000 का पड़ा, समय गठबंधन नहीं होना कारण रहा. उसके बाद मुख्यमंत्री का घोषणा करना चाहिए था. तो मैं तो कहा भी सारे समुदाय के, दलित को भी लेना चाहिए, मुस्लिम को भी लेना चाहिए, फॉरवर्ड को भी लेना चाहिए, बैकवर्ड को, अति पिछड़ा को भी लिया जाना चाहिए.
तो ये किसकी गलती रही? क्या अलायंस पार्टनर नहीं माने या फिर कांग्रेस ने ही उतना रिप्रेजेंटेशन नहीं दिया?
वरीय नेता वहाँ कहाँ दिक्कत हो हम लोग तो नहीं कह सकेंगे, लेकिन मिला जुला कहीं न कहीं कोऑर्डिनेशन की कमी रहा.
टिकट बेचा गया, अच्छे लोगों को टिकट को छीन लिया गया, और उसमें से एक हम भी थे, हमारा टिकट भी छीन लिया गया था. हमने डायरेक्ट राहुल जी से बात किया था, हमारा टिकट ओके हुआ.
लेकिन आपको लगता है कि उन्हें इस्तीफा देना चाहिए? मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी
एकदम देना चाहिए, एकदम उसी दिन दे देना चाहिए.
बैठक में आज गोली चलाने तक की बात हो गई. विधायक उनके कह रहे हैं कि सीट बेचा जा गया था, मुझे भी सीट नहीं मिलता अगर मैं राहुल गांधी से नहीं मिलता.
चलिए, अब कांग्रेस में बचा क्या है?
मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ जितेंद्र जी, आज की बैठक में क्या हुआ? मैंने सुना वहां गोली और हाथापाई तक की नौबत आ गई. आपको किसी ने धमकी दी थी क्या मीटिंग में?
नहीं, बैठक, समीक्षा बैठक से पूर्व जो हमारे प्रत्याशी हैं वैशाली जिला के, वैशाली ये विधानसभा के, उनके द्वारा कुछ नेतृत्व के बारे में कुछ बोला जा रहा था. इसी बात पे बहस हो गई और कोई खास बात नहीं हुई, लेकिन बहस के बाद उनके द्वारा उग्रता, माने फ्रस्ट्रेशन के रूप में, उनका जो उग्र रूप था वो फ्रस्ट्रेशन के रूप में था.
गोली चलाने की बात में कितनी सच्चाई है? हुआ था कि नहीं हुआ था? ऐसा कुछ कहा था?
नहीं, एकदम वो हुआ था, ऐसा हुआ था. जो सही बात है उसमें कहीं कोई बात नहीं है. और नेतृत्व के बारे में उल्टा सीधा बोला जा रहा था. उसी बात पे हमसे बहस हो गई कि आपको जो बोलना है, जब बैठक होगी शुरू तो आप बोलेंगे.
वर्ड प्ले and Twitter attacks in Karnataka, goli chalane ki baat in Delhi, God knows what's going on. So ladies and gentlemen, that brings me to the Motorola legitimate question on the News Hour tonight. From Karnataka to Bihar, are CIA and Mossad to blame for Congress party's woes? And therefore, in their quest to shield Rahul Gandhi, is delusion the only solution that the Congress party can think of? That's the question, and that's the debate on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Joining the debate tonight, Member of Parliament and National Spokesperson of the BJP, Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, author, scientist, Faizan Kidwai, National Spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, Professor Monojit Mandal, supporter of the Trinamool Congress, Advocate Anmol Parwar, who is the National Spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. But my first question goes to Congress leader Sanjay Jha. And Sanjay Jha, really, CIA and Mossad kept you from coming back to power in 2014? What happened to AK Antony report, a 4-member committee that made a report so painstakingly, which is now probably gone to the CIA and the Mossad who helped the BJP win? And what was the Congress party doing then? I don't know. But today on Bihar, you see where things have really descended to. गोली चलने की बात चल रही है in a meeting to analyze the reasons for the defeat. And the people who have contested the elections are saying that those in charge of Bihar should have resigned much earlier. And in fact, the problem lay with the fact that there was no announcement of Deputy CM from various communities that should have been done. So what is the real reason? Is Mossad causing problems in Karnataka and CIA in Bihar? What's going on?
Navika, good evening to you and to all my eminent panelists on the program. Let me bite the bullet on what you are discussing on today's program. I'm going to concede the Congress has several issues to address, and it must do so pronto because the consequences of delayed decision making can be extremely embarrassing and devastating for the party. But when it comes to conspiracy, I don't know about Kumar's statements on Mossad and the CIA, but one thing, Navika, is established, and I quote Prashant Bhushan, and I remember you were also very active at that point on covering the entire Ramlila Maidan and the India against corruption agitation. And Prashant Bhushan is on record to say that Dr. Manmohan Singh's government was defeated in a very organized conspiracy led by the India against corruption leaders. He was part of it once upon a time. He said he regretted it because he realized that it was sponsored by the RSS and the BJP, and that Arvind Kejriwal was aware that it had RSS and BJP support. In fact, if you read Vinod Mehta's book, Vinod Mehta writes in his book that Aruna Roy, who was a very active figure as well, was extremely disillusioned when she realized that she felt that Arvind Kejriwal had very close proximity to the RSS. So there is no denying that the Congress party and the UPA was destroyed in a political conspiracy, but it was done in 2011. The death knell was in 2011 itself. I think in 2014 was just a ceremonial exit of the party.
Mossad and CIA and now RSS. Direct ties between RSS, CIA and Mossad. Sudhanshu Trivedi, I'm speechless. Please respond.
That Prashant Bhushan is on record and he was part of the movement.
Yeah, and we all believe him, really.
I will tell you several things on record, sir. Prashant Bhushan on record, very, very peculiar. Arvind Kejriwal and Sandeep Dixit were the class fellows. It is believed that they were the class fellow. It was a structured policy of the Congress. Because prior to Anna movement in July 2011, there were several instances of corruption were consistently going on over the Congress. 2G, coal scam, etc. One by one, it was unearthing. So Congress decided that it should be diverted to entire political. Sir, decided to divert on entire political class, so the sole beneficiary should not be the BJP. सर आपने अपने टर्न पे बोली क्या कह रहे हैं आप?
मैंने कहा था 2G केस तो कोर्ट से फेंक दिया गया.
क्या कह रहे हैं आप?
तो कुछ प्रूव भी नहीं कर पाए.
गुरुदेव मोसाद ने, गुरुदेव भूलिए मत, मोसाद ने 122 लाइसेंसेस कैंसिल करवाए थे सुप्रीम कोर्ट से. मोसाद ने या CIA ने, पता नहीं, पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जजमेंट दिया था संजय झा बिफोर दैट. बट सुधांशु जी,
मैं बताना चाहता हूं, देखिए बड़ा लॉजिकल लगता है. द कांग्रेस कुड हैव इंजीनियर्ड दोज थिंग्स बिकॉज इट वाज writing on the wall that BJP is going to trounce them on the issue of corruption. So they decided that to divert it to the entire political class. क्योंकि अरविंद केजरीवाल ने क्या बोला था, सारी संसद चोर है और मैं कभी राजनीति में नहीं आऊंगा. वो सारा किसने किसको धोखा दिया छोड़िए. मगर मैं आपको कुछ फैक्ट बताता हूं. संजय झा जी, आप तो पढ़े लिखे हैं. ये कैम्ब्रिज एनालिटिका का इशू आया था ना 2019, किसके फेवर में? द कैम्ब्रिज एनालिटिका वाज बीइंग यूज्ड बाय कांग्रेस. It has not come for the first time. And if I ask you, name a single leader who invariably visits abroad in a very conspicuous manner. Not even a single season you cannot quote any 6 months other than those of the COVID, when Rahul Gandhi has not traveled abroad. And presumably to giving a speech on the platforms of universities. But surprisingly, he is never asked by any Indian university to give a speech. चलिए, आप कहेंगे बीजेपी रूल्ड स्टेट नहीं बुलाता, तो why the Congress ruled state never called him for university speech or convocation or others? Karnataka, Himachal, when you were having government in Punjab, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, and during 2004 to 14 when Rahul Gandhi was an emerging youth icon, none of the Indian universities have caught, and suddenly they never asked him to come, and suddenly he went outside and he started giving sermons and joining hands with several anti-India forces. अब मैं दूसरी बात बताना चाहता हूं. इन 2024 इलेक्शन, this was the first election in the entire history of India in which, I am not quoting a foreign report, अभी आपने प्रशांत भूषण on record का, on record Russian government said that the Indian elections are being interfered by the foreign forces and they have not taken any name. But White House, US State Department said we are not interfering in the Indian elections. अब आइए साहब, इंटरफेरेंस का उदाहरण आपको बताता हूं. ये तो आप कहने की बात करें सर. ऑफिशियली ये मित्रोकिन्स आर्काइव, KGB and the World Part 2, Yuri Bezmenev's interview in Canadian television on 2005 and 6 has said, after 1977 defeat, there was a serious meeting in Kremlin that despite our so much of support, means Russia, USSR has full throttle support, and they allege that KGB has directly given money to Congress. You should have gone and sued them. But unfortunately, you decided to keep mum. And not only this, sir, ये सद्दाम हुसैन से पैसा किसके पास आया था? Volcker report 2006. Government of India has given food. And the oil coupons were issued to Congress party, not to any person. On that, Natwar Singh has to step down. And now I am quoting the book of Natwar Singh, One Life is Not Enough, in which he has said that during a party, he was called by Sonia Gandhi ji that we will not be able to make you the foreign minister because there are several pressures. Even US doesn't want it. अब बताइए साहब, कौन अमेरिका के प्रभाव में रहता था? And as per WikiLeaks,
Navika rejoined.
Rahul Gandhi met the then US ambassador Mr. Romer. सुनिए, आई एम नॉट सेइंग WikiLeaks बिल्कुल सत्य है, पर आज तक खंडन नहीं हुआ. And he started discussing the India's internal security. And he said there are certain section of Muslims which are having the support of Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed. But more serious is the Hindu extremism. भाई आप काहे डिस्कस कर रहे थे भाई? हिलरी क्लिंटन से या रोमर से? अब ये बताइए. और तो और WikiLeaks में एक और बात आई थी. Hillary Clinton said when Pranab Mukherjee became the finance minister, how come it had happened? Montek Singh Ahluwalia was decided to become the finance minister. Sir, how come Hillary Clinton was knowing that Montek Singh Ahluwalia's name was decided? Now you can check with several senior Congress leaders. Some are now not present. But how come she was knowing what happened inside Congress? So, sir, ये जो questions हैं, and also एक CIA agent था, उसका नाम है, जिसका नाम था Crowley, Joseph Crowley or some Crowley. And he has written a book, In Conversation with a Crow, in which he has explained how the conspiracy was hatched in a conspicuous death of Lal Bahadur Shastri ji and a very conspicuous death of Homi Bhabha, both within 15 days. तो सर किसके जमाने में क्या क्या रहा है?
But cut to the present, Sanjay Jha. Karnataka is a result of CIA interference.
Track record. Whatever has come, it is nothing new.
Absolutely. What is happening in the Bihar meeting today? Is that Mossad intervention? What are you saying, Sanjay Jha?
Navika, let us decouple the two issues. I started by telling you that these are serious internal problems the Congress has to solve. But let's address the headline issue of today, which is that who benefited from those allegations of corruption, the massive protests on the street.
But the corruption was happening.
1 minute.
The corruption was happening. No. What 1 minute? We were at the forefront of reporting that corruption. And you are saying we were also programmed by CIA and Mossad. I think Sanjay Jha, as soon as you can, please do a reality check and a medical test, because you're also not beginning to make any sense. And I really have nothing to say about Kumar Ketkar, with whom I he was at the epitome of political reporting when I started my career at the Economic Times. But Anand Ranganathan.
Just one thing.
Okay. Sudhanshu.
Navika ji, just one sentence.
Yes, Sudhanshu.
Navika ji, one sentence. Sanjay Jha ji, if you are saying that the Aam Aadmi Party and Anna movement was the creation of RSS and CIA, then why you supported Aam Aadmi Party?
No.
They didn't get the majority. In the first election of 2013, BJP got 32 seats, Congress got 8 seats, and Samajwadi, Aam Aadmi Party 8 seats, 28 seats. Why Congress ensured Aam Aadmi Party to come into power? Now you answer.
I'll answer you. Sudhanshu ji, Prashant Bhushan has made his statement much later. He went on record to say that the RSS, I'm not talking about CIA, RSS backed the agitation. Modi ji became Prime Minister and Kejriwal became the Chief Minister. And the Congress was destroyed. The Congress was destroyed on false allegations.
And my mother has a mustache, and therefore she's my father. I mean, what are you saying? What are you saying, Sanjay Jha? Anand Ranganathan, can you please respond to this while I recover my sanity?
No, good evening, Navika, and good evening to my fellow panelists. I am still recovering from the analogy that you've taken, the imagery of it. No, but look, as far as all those who are saying that Modi was put in 2014 because of Mossad and CIA, Navika, इनका narco analysis नहीं होना चाहिए. वो ऐसे ऐसे करके बोलो, इनका नारकोटिक एनालिसिस होना चाहिए. ये क्या फूक रहे हैं, इनको कहां से मिल रहा है, ये पहले तो ये पता लगाओ. ये पॉपी फील्ड उगा रहे हैं, वहीं से ले रहे हैं क्या? What's going on out here? By that same logic, Rahul was instituted by Sabu and Chacha Chaudhary because they are, all three of them are from Jupiter. Look, let's come to the brass tacks. And the brass tacks is Rahul Gandhi and the Congress will keep on losing elections if they do not realize what is actually going wrong. And if you remember, and I told you on that day itself, I think it was on 14 November when Sanjay was in person with us. He was, he was a model of ethics and morality and propriety, and, he was taking things on the chin and he was making all the sensible points. And if you were to rewind them, the crux of what he said was that people in Congress have to introspect what kind of leader do they want. Now, why has Sanjay, my dear friend, he has forgotten what he said barely 2 weeks ago? Where is the clamor that we need somebody else other than Rahul Gandhi? It's disappeared. And it always goes on to the advantage of the BJP because this happens time and time again. Now, again, I'm telling you, please listen to this. For the next 2 months, 3 months, they are going to repeat this SIR vote chori campaign. It's already started. They've thrown in this thing about BLO suicides and in Bengal and everything is happening. You know why it's happening? Because Rahul Gandhi has ordered that this should continue. But to all those who say vote chori has happened, it's been 2 months. They have not been able to answer one simple question that I have asked repeatedly. And you can ask Sanjay, you can ask Anmolji, you can ask anyone. If vote chori is happening, please tell me, in the constituency that Rahul Gandhi won in Wayanad, 20,000 voters were duplicate voters. Was that vote chori? In the constituency that Priyanka Gandhi won Raebareli, 19,000 voters were duplicate. Was that vote chori? Nobody is able to answer that. The only explanation they gave is, oh, why didn't BJP complain? That's not the answer.
Well,
the
on
answer
vote
is,
chori, on vote chori, let me tell you what the Supreme Court said yesterday. Not a single person said the name wrongly deleted, not a single plea against wrongful deletion, no major impact of SIR on the ground. Should outsiders with Aadhaar be allowed to vote? Supreme Court has said this during a hearing today on the issue. In fact, vote theft, polls were rigged, voters were bribed, EVMs manipulated, booth capturing, election commission compromise. So far, these were the six excuses for the loss. 1 minute, Anand Ranganathan. These were the 6 excuses for the loss that were given by the Congress so far. Now, Faizan Kidwai, CIA and Mossad has come in. I want to ask you, when leaders from the Samajwadi Party and the Trinamool Congress have begun to ask questions that Rahul Gandhi is not somebody who can lead because his own performance is really a big question mark, was that also prompted by the CIA and the Mossad? Are they controlling members from your own party, Faizan Kidwai?
Good evening, Navika. Good evening to you and to the fellow panelists. See, Navika, there are a lot of allegations on Bharatiya Janata Party also when it comes to foreign interference and foreign funding. Let me first answer Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi. He spoke about Cambridge Analytica. Sir, if you remember the whistleblower, his name was Christopher Wiley. He admitted that in 2010 Bihar Assembly elections, he did collected booth-wise data and constituency-wise data for your alliance partner, that is JDU. So I hope you would clarify this also, because this was a big issue back then, and I remember being on a discussion on this. And BJP was again not able to answer, because Bharatiya Janata Party is just good at accusing others and never to answer. As far as foreign funding is concerned, sir, in 2014, Delhi High Court reprimanded Bharatiya Janata Party and found it guilty for violating FCRA rules because they accepted donations from a foreign company. It's a London-based company, Vedanta Resource and its subsidiaries. Several crores were received. That's the reason you people amended the FCRA rules by passing the finance bill. And Navika also would like to bring to your notice
that case, there was the Congress party also. The FCRA thing was done by the Congress as well, just to correct you.
Since I'm
FCRA was
having a discussion,
because that was just a technical issue of the rule, and that's why it was passed unanimously, Mr. Faizan Kidwai.
No, sir, let me complete.
Unanimously, even your party also.
Sir, I'll give you more reasons to get worked up. आप सब एक साथ respond कर दीजिएगा. Sir, एक साथ respond कर दीजिएगा. Sir, there's an organization, it is called Overseas Friends of Bharatiya Janata Party, which is registered as foreign agent there. It uses foreign funds from unknown sources, and it uses it to lobby for Bharatiya Janata Party and manipulate votings in India. This is foreign interference. There's an organization called Hindu American Foundation. It uses funds, and there's a Sikh Gurudwara which has filed a complaint and asks the authorities to investigate where are these people, this organization is getting funds, because those funds are used in Indian elections to defame the opposition and promote Narendra Modi's propaganda. तो आप लोग बहुत सारा बाहर से पैसा लेकर आते हैं, दूसरों से पूछने से पहले अपने गिरबान में झांक के देखिए. And Navika, as far as
you know, this can't be a rally speech. Allow Sudhanshu Trivedi ji to respond to the charges you've made so far. Sudhanshu ji,
just 5 seconds.
फैजान किदवई साहब, आपने तो कहा था कोई बेस बताएंगे. क्या आपने सोर्स कोट किया? I have quoted the government, Russian government. I have quoted a former KGB officer. I have quoted a former CIA officer. और आप ऐसे हवा में बात कर रहे हैं. And Sanjay Jha ji has quoted Prashant Bhushan. अब चलिए मैं बताता हूं आपको. Now I would like to tell you one more thing. सर ये बताइए, अभी ये न्यूज क्लिक वाला एपिसोड आया था, तो न्यूयॉर्क टाइम्स अखबार, जिसको आप लोग गॉस्पेल ट्रुथ मानते हैं, उसने क्या कहा कि देयर वाज ए कनेक्शन फ्रॉम बीजिंग, शंघाई टू शिकागो एंड फ्रॉम देयर टू 6 कंट्रीज इंक्लूडिंग इंडिया, जिसमें कि चाइनीज एंगल को आगे करके इंडियन गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ प्रोपेगेंडा किया जा रहा था. फैजान किदवई साहब एक बताता हूं. Every parliament session from 2020 to 2023, just a couple of days or a week before parliament session, फॉरेन में एक रिपोर्ट क्यों आती थी? आइए, नवंबर 2024 पार्लियामेंट का सेशन शुरू होने वाला था. उसी समय हिंडनबर्ग की रिपोर्ट को ब्रायन पीस, जो कि एक यूएस अटॉर्नी है, he has submitted to US court, and Brian Peace was a very close associate of Democratic MP Chuck Schumer, and Chuck Schumer is a very close friend of Jonathan Soros, the son of George Soros. आइए, 2023 वहां पे एक बार फिर
जॉर्ज सोरोस का प्रूफ कर पाए सर कुछ?
जनवरी 2020
तो जॉर्ज सोरोस का लिंक ही प्रूफ कर पाए?
जुलाई
JP नड्डा साहब ने बहुत
2021
सीना ठोक के कहा।
आप वोट चोरी का प्रूफ कर पाए?
पार्लियामेंट
आप वोट चोरी का एविडेंस प्रूफ कर पाए फैजान किदवाई?
पार्लियामेंट सेशन आपकी रिपोर्ट, ये ग्रेटा थनबर्ग का स्टेटमेंट आ जाता है। जस्ट बिफोर इंडिया पार्लियामेंट बीबीसी आती है, ये रिपोर्ट आती है ऑन 2002 गुजरात रॉयट्स, वाह साहब, एंड ऑन एवरी इशू कोरस।
तभी आपने बीबीसी के पीछे ईडी सीबीआई यहाँ पे उनको निकाल दिया।
शुरू होती है,
जो भी क्रिटिकल हो जाएगा सर उसको भगा देंगे आप
सर।
लोग।
मैंने
सवाल नहीं पूछना चाहिए ना आपसे,
सोर्सेस
सर आपसे सवाल ना पूछें।
आप काल्पनिक कह रहे हैं, हिंदू स्वयंसेवक संघ यहाँ पर प्रोपोगंडा फलाना
एक चीज
नहीं सर, आई कोटेड द फैक्ट्स, I have quoted the foreign agencies.
These are reports.
I have quoted the newspaper.
Kindly
foreign
please go and cross
investigating
check.
agencies, foreign government.
You have all sorts of tools. Please.
Or one more thing.
Well, Faizan Kidwai, in which case, if you think the Congress party was right in everything they did, please give them 100 seats when UP elections take place in 2027. Anand Ranganathan, what's your intervention?
Donald Trump, when he came to power.
Sudhanshu.
One more thing.
Anand.
One line.
Yeah, no, that,
when Donald Trump came to power, he has stopped the funding of US aid. He said, I was unable to understand why US aid was spending millions of dollars to increase the voter turnout in Indian election.
Funding to Indian
What was the connection of US aid with Indian election?
क्यों आपने उसको अमेंड किया? क्योंकि आपको पैसा चाहिए ना। अब आपको पैसा चाहिए तभी तो।
You know, Faizan Kidwai, on this one, Anand Ranganathan, this FCRA bubble has to be burst by you. Please inform Faizan Kidwai the facts of the case.
नहीं, ये मैं 10 साल से चिल्ला रहा हूँ. फैजान भाई also knows this, but the fact of the matter is he stays silent because they are allies of the Congress. Now in 2014-15, the High Court of India, Delhi it was, it convicted the BJP for violating FCRA guidelines for taking funding from abroad. It carried a prison sentence. Overnight, the BJP amended the FCRA Act going back to the time of the emergency 1976. But why didn't Congress protest? Because the Congress was also convicted. And the BJP was able to amend the act because it took support from the Congress and Congress supported it. And Faizan Bhai is quiet. But I want to ask him. Now Faizan Bhai, please 10 seconds दीजिएगा. आपने कहा फॉरेन इंटरफेरेंस होती है. फैजान भाई मैं ये पहले भी कह चुका हूं. सबसे बड़ा प्रूफ फॉरेन इंटरफेरेंस का था एनोनिमस इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड्स. Because you did not know who was contributing. Which company was contributing tens of thousands of crores? So I ask you again, did Samajwadi Party take money from the anonymous electoral bonds? Yes or no?
No, sir. Samajwadi Party,
you
that was
lying.
the only... Sir, may I?
You are lying.
You ask me a
Samajwadi
question, now let
Party-
me respond. You can tell me if I am lying or not later on. Right? You will get your time, sir. So the thing is, unfortunately, sir, we were against the electoral bonds, just like we are against the usage of EVMs. My national president has time and again said, "Sari ki sari seatein jeet jayenge." Even then, we'll ask for vote by ballot. So, but unfortunately, that was the only route at that time. और उसके बाद जब खुलासा हुआ,
बड़ा दुख हुआ, बड़ा दर्द हुआ, पर हमें पैसे लेने पड़े. सॉरी आनंद रंगनाथन, जो हमें दुखी होते हुए लेने पड़े वो काउंट नहीं होगा. सॉरी, दैट विल नॉट बी काउंटेड. दैट विल नॉट बी काउंटेड. No. We are still against all that. You know, Faizan Kidwai, sometimes apply logic, because viewers of the news are actually base their opinion on logic, and right now you are making no sense because there's no logic in the arguments you're giving. But Anmol Pawar, I want to ask you, दिल्ली का चुनाव कहीं मोसाद ने तो नहीं हरवा दिया आपको? लास्ट लोकसभा चुनाव में राहुल गांधी ने आपको हरवाया था या मोसाद और CIA ने? प्लीज बता दीजिए, प्लीज बता दीजिए.
नाविका जी, दिल्ली का चुनाव तो इस वोट चोरी ने हरवाया था जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने की थी. 42,000 वोटर्स वर डिलीटेड फ्रॉम न्यू दिल्ली कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी. Here's the list. क्योंकि ये सबूत मांगते हैं, सबूत हम दिखा देंगे इन्हें. More than 14 constituencies were there where thousands of voters were deleted.
Supreme Court is asking for the sabut.
And we gave Can I respond now?
Yes, please.
Supreme Court, the same Supreme Court also labeled Bharatiya Janata Party as murderer of democracy when they were caught stealing red-handed Punjab mayoral polls. उसका सबूत तो है ना, दिखाइए जरा वो वीडियो दर्शकों को वो वीडियो भी दिखाइए. But today, Navika ji, when electoral manipulation is choking our democracy, pollution is choking our people, and security lapses of the BJP-led central government, they are shaking the national confidence. We are discussing 2014. And Sanjay Jha ji claimed that Aam Aadmi Party had support of RSS. Sanjay Jha ji, that is utter nonsense. If we had support of RSS, then our leader would not have been put behind bars in false and fabricated cases without any shred of evidence. And the Gandhi family is enjoying immunity from the BJP because despite the BJP shouting that National Herald is an open and shut case, there are clinching evidence against them. Not a single member from Gandhi family has been put behind bars. The reality is that the biggest NPA of Congress party, Rahul Gandhi, is the biggest asset of Bharatiya Janata Party. That is why they are not putting him behind bar. Rahul Gandhi तो इन्हें प्लेटर में सजा के देते हैं चुनाव में हर जीत, because he vanishes during the election campaigning. जब चुनाव प्रचार चलता है तो विदेश में घूमते हैं.
संजय झा जी, इसका जवाब तो आप ही दे दीजिए. Are you forget Aam Aadmi Party getting help from RSS? Sanjay Jha, the allegation from Anmol Pawar is that you are actually, Rahul Gandhi is actually helping the BJP.
Well, I have a very simple question actually, which is very relevant for today's discussion, Navika. Please ask Sudhanshu you to tell the people watching your program, why does the RSS not disclose its source of funds? Number two, why does the RSS need a lobbying firm in America? I think this is one of the issues which needs to be.
Sanjay Jha, can you please stick to the questions that I'm asking you?
No, but this is very relevant.
No, but I asked you a question, is Rahul Gandhi supporting BJP? Because Rashid Alvi says it's very impossible to meet Rahul Gandhi. Does he also get orders from Mossad and CIA?
Well, let me answer. Amol Pawar has to do his job of defending the Aam Aadmi Party.
What about you, sir?
With that.
What about you?
My problem is something different. Yes, the Aam Aadmi Party has subsequently been harassed by the BJP. Nobody's going to deny that. But I'm talking about the origin of that movement, which was funded by the RSS and the BJP, that destroyed Dr. Manmohan Singh's government, made Modi the Prime Minister and Arvind Kejriwal the Chief Minister.
Sudhanshu Trivedi ji, please respond.
Things may have changed later.
Okay, all right, Sudhanshu ji.
Okay. Again, Sanjay Jha ji has not elaborated or explained. When it came as a hung assembly in 2013, and for around a month, nobody was able to form the government. BJP was a single largest party and your government was there at center. Why you decided to support and bring Aam Aadmi Party to power? The so-called RSS supported CIA.
We did not have the information, sir ji.
And not only this.
Sudhanshu ji,
subsequently you joined hands with Aam Aadmi Party.
And Guruji, we did not have the knowledge of their involvement earlier.
नहीं, आप सुनिए.
Sanjay Jha, don't interrupt. Don't interrupt, na Sanjay Jha. When you were speaking, Sudhanshu ji didn't.
अरे भाई सुनिए, संजय झा जी, आप एक लर्नेड आदमी हैं. You speak decently, but this time I can understand you have given a very flimsy, baseless logic. So after Prashant Bhushan's explosive, you can say, expose, why you decided to bring Aam Aadmi Party in your fold? Why you contested election with Aam Aadmi Party in 2024? जवाब दीजिए भाई.
Boss, bygones have to be bygones.
आप ही करेंगे, फिर कहेंगे हमें पता नहीं था. सरकार आपकी थी. जब पता लग गया उसके बाद
bygones are being reopened by Kumar Ketkar, Sanjay Jha. But may I tell you, Prashant Bhushan and what? May I tell you what the Supreme Court observed about Prashant Bhushan? Incorrect affidavits by Prashant Bhushan and ADR. This was stated in the Supreme Court. Now, people who give incorrect affidavits in the Supreme Court are now being quoted over here. I leave the judgment to you and the viewers to make on the credibility of those statements. But Monojit Mandal, I ask you a simple question. Bihar, Rahul Gandhi's party has 6 seats. Today, while they were doing an analysis of Bihar, you saw how there have been all kinds of threats of, killing each other with pistols, the gun somebody down, those kind of conversation. The reasons also tumbling out by various Congress insiders. Rashid Alvi saying, High Command kaun hai, pata nahi, we can't meet Rahul Gandhi. Karnataka, everybody can see what the situation is going on. Do you really think that this is the Rahul Gandhi who has lost because of the CIA and Mossad, and now in Bengal, he will be part of your alliance?
No, I do not think that the Congress party is part of TMC alliance in Bengal. It has never been since 2016. At least at the
India level, you are.
And I do not see
India
any possibility of this happening in the near future. That was a strategic alliance during the Lok Sabha election, and that should have happened in Delhi, not at the state level. Like they also have bonhomie with CPI in Bengal, but they fight with each other in Kerala. So there's the kind of principle the Congress party has, and we are not going to comment on that. We are very clear that if any political party that can stop the rise of BJP in Bengal and maybe parts of the eastern region, that is all in the Trinamool Congress under the leadership of Ms. Mamata Banerjee and Mr. Abhishek Banerjee. Look, we are not fighting the foreign forces. We are fighting the homegrown imperial conspirators and their lakeys in media. I'm not talking about you. Yours is a very neutral challenge. I've been observing that for the last 35 minutes. But it is there. Income tax, ED, CBI and their lakey medias. And this is being fought, and even now Election Commission of India. And look at how we are resisting on the ground. SIR, the latest demon that is coming out of BJP's cover. And in Bengal, so far is because of TMC's vigilance, under the watch of Mr. Abhishek Banerjee and Ms. Mamata Banerjee, that you have only barely few lakhs of the voters deleted from the draft. And even those will come back. So why is those Rohingyas, Bangladeshis, 1.5 crores as BJP?
So you are saying, there's no vote chori? You are saying there's no vote chori?
How to stop BJP?
No, Monojit Mandal, are you saying there's no vote chori? Very few people deleted from the list. Monojit is
in Bengal. We won't allow that to happen in Bengal.
Oh, okay.
It would have happened in 2019.
Well. So only people who cannot control this, who do not have the evidence, like Mr. Rahul Gandhi's party, well, they are crying vote chori. Mamata Banerjee says, well, I can always fight and bring the evidence. Don't mess with me. And that really is the message, and that's what people are saying. Viewers today sending in their comments. Srinivas Thachodat says Rahul Gandhi is the cause behind Congress's defeat. Raghunathan R says Congress has done nothing for the people, so they lose every time. Well, we also did a survey. Congress blames the CIA and Mossad for its 2014 poll loss. Is it delusion? Yes, says 69% of the people. No, say 31%. Well, there you have it. That is what people of India are saying. Those who are too busy to solve the problems of their own party can sit back and blame CIA and Mossad. Be the BJP's guest, because really I think the BJP loves Rahul Gandhi. Where will they find such an absolutely delightful opposition is the question. Thank you very much to all my panelists for joining me on debate number